Hello friends, I'm Nupur Mittal and I'm a WMP student joined in 2012. Presently I'm working with State Bank of India, Commercial Branch, New Delhi. And when I joined this course, a few things were buzzing in my mind that how the course is going to be and what will be my add-on value to this after this course. So I must tell you that from this course there is absolutely knowledge enhancement, and that is uncomparable because it's a learning process. We don't learn just for the grades or for scores, but we add on value to ourselves as we are working also. It adds to our work, to our knowledge, and to our personality also. After that, the second most important thing is time management. You have to balance your time with your office, with your home. So that becomes a critical issue because you have to complete a project in your office at the same time. It's at a very critical stage and your presence is required. At the same time, there is a submission in the class project that is going to be evaluated. So you have to manage your time, and that's the best part which I learned because to somehow personally I was just little weak on that part. And in this course there are so many case studies we learn from here, and it's not particularly about one particular subject like strategy, marketing or finance. Some case studies are a mix of both strategy and marketing, so people just broaden their thoughts and views and horizons there, that okay, we can think, we can go along with these things. And these case studies doesn't require the facts and figures, they go above that level. We have to do some analytical thinking about that. If I just pen down some of the case studies, then means we have done in each term, we used to do 20 or 30 case studies, and and the term is just of 2.5 months. So you can well think that how rigorous, how we go about the knowledge part. And that's all means, and there is more benefit we can get it from this course as we join this course. And I would recommend that if you cannot go for if you want to add some study or some take out time from your job, then you should go for this course. This is very good.